Sagagando tuddiza bajizimba kwa Amini yajizimba najimbinda babombazi ku All Africa nga bajibanga mu nsanvu mwena naye kiteze bulungi okulaba kange jatuddira n'okubanga training ya bombazi ebeeranga kugamba basobola okubeeramu ebbanga n'abantu bonna okusobola okujja okutrainingangamu omukolo guno ogubadde gwa byafaayo kubanga misambidde wa KBC naye nga tukolagana mu makirabu n'ebirala byengendo gamba nti neyanziza abamawulire ba medias aba TV news reporters n'abantu bonna abaze ku mukolo guno kubanga kimpadde essanyu n'okulabikanga jimu yange ate nga egenda kubeerako Bakusi School ejja kutambula bulungi kubanga obuwagizi mbufunye the minister of education jakunterako milioni 10 national caption also milioni 10 olympic committee milioni 10 ne president atwande milioni 5 naye minister agambye alina okwongerako 5 kale bampadde seminti ekirabikanga kijja kubanga kitambula bulungi era netesesese era nimetegefu kubanga tutunya ettaka weeriri
This has told you our goals we use smart energy, heat training from there, heat box from there, all of these programs are possible. Each training pressure is very important. Right now is in the center. We can't be consistent. That's our first challenge. Our second challenge is funding. This sport, this event, there's no single support that we have received until today from the government of Uganda. There is personal funds. The government will know it can support us, but the money is not coming, and that's why we are suffering. We only pray that we can intervene at the whole solution of funding. That's number 2. Product management, Honorable Minister, that has bothered us so much, that has bothered the Federation, is the issue of failure to go into the national games. We lost the World Championship in 2014. Number 1, I want to begin by thanking the host, that's John, for inviting us here. Let's clap for him. Number 2, I bring notice from the first day because John came in, wrote to her, and she directed me to come and appreciate this fight. 2 things in common. Number 1, I committed to the students on behalf of the first lady to support John for building the boxing and the vocational tennis school. talking about my track record, I want to promise and pledge on behalf of the President. Number one, the question of boxing and schools, I am under the leader and I'm under the President here and the other is here. We are going to have a holistic discussion on what we need to do to have boxing begin to be a sport which is going to be like other sports in schools. The following are our observations as the ministry. Number one, where the boxing years for children or students at school. Number two, where are the medical teams for kids who are going to be involved in boxing at school? Are we clear there?
Yeah.